fam, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome, and after you have watched the video, please go ahead and subscribe and like and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, I love and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah! Hi fam, how my beautiful ones doing out there? I hope you're having a great day, a great month, a great year so far. Today we're getting ready to create another beautiful centerpiece and a table placement sign. You can either have it for a wedding or anniversary, or what's coming up, you guys, Mother's Day. You can give this to your mother for Mother's Day, or aunt, or grandmother, whichever one you prefer. Okay, the supplies you would need for this tutorial are one wooden frame from Michaels, some glitter and glitter glue from Michaels, some roses that light up from Dollar Tree, candle holders, Dollar Tree, tea light holders, Dollar Tree, some diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree, or you can use some rhinestones, markers, a bag of gems, painter's tape, paintbrush, scissors, glue gun, and adhesive spray. Okay, and you're just going to need only one marker. You can use a small thin one or a fat marker. Okay, you ready? Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to add our adhesive rhinestones to the bottom of our candle holder. And we're just going to spread them apart, maybe a half an inch or an inch. Okay, now I'm going to add our gems to the bottom of the candle holder. Okay, now it's time to decorate our tea lights. Let's do the first one. Let's get my paintbrush. Let's pour some glue out onto my paper. Okay, now I'm going to spray my tea light holders with some adhesive spray. Okay, I'm going to put this aside. Okay, first I'm going to take this cardboard out the middle of this frame. See if I could just slide it out of here. There you go. We're going to take our red marker and we're going to write table placement number 2 in our best handwriting, or just put table number 2. Table 2. Okay, we're going to make it as dark as possible, the word table and the number 2. And that way, if the bride have a seating chart and you're looking for your table, you know, they have like certain names on each table. And this way you can find your table. And you know exactly where to sit. Table 2. Okay. And we're going to place this right here inside of this wooden, back inside of this wooden frame. But first we got to decorate our wooden frame. We got our Elmer's glue, because the other glue, you had to use too much of it. Now it's time to glue the candle holders on top of the tea light holders. Okay, then we're going to add our sign inside our frame. Okay, you guys, I am finished. Hello, everybody, it's sharing time. It's sharing time. Hello, everybody, it's sharing time. It's sharing time with me. I'm going to share with you guys 5 great purchases I got from the Dollar Tree. You ready? Number 1 is this beautiful gift box. Isn't that beautiful? Just put your gift in there and it's already decorated. It's a beautiful box. Woo, woo, woo. I got some glitter. Very pretty glitter. I got some nail art stencil stickers for your nails. Anybody out there doing their nails? Here's some stencils from the Dollar Tree. There's so many different kinds. What's that? Okay, glue. Okay. I'm getting ready to have some fun with this on my nail channel. Don't forget to go to Beauty Nails by Monica and check me out. I'll be using these. They also have this beautiful candle holder and it says, "You are my sunshine." Beautiful. You just put a tea light inside and it lights it up. Beautiful. They also carry these wreath form crosses. You can decorate it really pretty and hang it up on your wall, or you can write something on it. Happy Mother's Day. Very pretty. Okay. Now, these are the 5 things I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I hope you like it. Come back for more. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and that like button, and come back and watch another one of my tutorials. I'm doing Mother's Day tutorials right now, so come on back and get an idea.